Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today on the bench we have a white Chrysler Group station wagon. It was originally started for another project that changed course about a year and a half ago or so. Now it's going to be for the Diecast International Builders Long Roof Challenge due on December 5th. Here you see me taking it apart. Like I said, it's already been started for another project, so there's a lot of things I don't have to do. I don't have to do anything with the base. It's already got the wheels changed on it. As you see, it's already got the screw and everything set for it. So yeah, we just got to take it apart, do a little bit of cleaning up, gauzy the glass as always, and then I'm going to strip it down and do a couple slight modifications to the body. And then of course the new paint job and some decals, and we should be on our way. Hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned. And here's a look at what I started with. And here's what I finally came up with. As you can see, I obviously added a few extra accessories on there that weren't on there before I went to paint. There wasn't no way to really put them on there and then be able to get the paint job out on it. So yeah, I did that. And then of course I did the decals, which you saw a few pictures of. But other than that, you saw everything get done to it. So this is my entry for the Diecast International Builders Long Roof, aka station wagon build for the 5th of December. Hope everybody likes it. If so, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff I always say. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.